Hello to everyone and welcome to How to Bank. Hope you guys are enjoying our videos and we are helping you to make banking easy. In this video, we are going to see how to book an fixed deposit online with Yes Bank or how to open a fixed deposit online with Yes Bank. Log into Yes Bank using your username and password. On the left side, you can see option of open new fixed deposit. Click on that. Select the deposit type. So there are a couple of them. First is payout resident. This means after the tenure is finished, the interest and amount will be paid to your account. Next is reinvestment resident. This is after your tenure of fixed deposit is finished, it will be reinvested along with the interest amount. Another type of fixed deposit is payout monthly. This is every month you will get the interest credited to your account. Then there are 5 years tax savers fixed deposit, wherein after the end of 5 years you will get the deposit amount and interest. Another type is reinvestment, wherein after the end of your 5 years tenure you will get interest and fixed deposit amount credited to your account. The last one is calendar monthly payout. So what this is, every end of the month your amount will be paid back to you. So these are the type of deposit. Typically I select either payout or resident. So I'm selecting payout resident. Select the branch you want to open the fixed deposit. So all the branches are available. Select the amount you want to make FD of. Input the tenure in months and days. We can view the interest rate by clicking on this link. Here are the rate of interest and the duration of your fixed deposit. So I'm going to select for 181 days, that is roughly 6 months. Then you can click on whether you require a nomination or not. This nomination is not available for joint account holders. To register a nominee, you can visit MySpace on net banking. If there is no nominee clicked here, the nominee mentioned in your saving account will be nominee for this fixed deposit. Select the maturity instruction, that is at the end of the tenure, what should be done with the deposit. So either you can auto renew or you can transfer to the account. I'm putting auto renew. Now if you select account transfer, then you have to select the interest instructions, how you want to transfer the interest. Read the few information here. Now what is sweep-in facility? Suppose your account has less balance and you have issued a check to someone. Bank will use money from your fixed deposit to pay that check. This is known as sweep-in facility, and you will get interest till the date the amount is with bank. I do not want to take there and click on open. There are some more instructions for reinvestment. Minimum deposit amount is 10,000. You need a PAN to open an tax savers fixed deposit. Minimum amount you can deposit in a financial year in tax saver fixed deposit is 1,50,000. After you input all the information, click on open. You can get a message that the tenure should be 184 days. I will update the tenure. Click on open. This is the verification, wherein it will explain all the details. That is the source of account, the amount, how many days, what will be the maturity amount, what is the rate of interest applied, what are the instructions for the interest payment at the time of maturity, and what is the reinvestment tenure. So every 184 days it will keep on renewing, whether you have sweep-in facility, whether you have joint account, under which branch the deposit is open. And then if everything is correct, click on confirm. If you want to change it, you can click here. Click on confirm. Your fixed deposit is open now. This is the process of opening fixed deposit. Thank you for watching our video and hope you guys are enjoying. Please share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any problem for banking, feel free to write to us. Thank you and have a wonderful day.